So I was minding my own business, just out backhoeing the other day, and all of a sudden, up front somewhere, it just started going. Anyway, so I started investigating. Water pump decided to go on me. You guys can see the wobble in there. That's not supposed to do that. So went ahead today, took about 8 hours, tore half the machine apart, and yeah, got the new one all rebuilt here, ready to go. Just gotta put her back in. Another day's work putting things back together. Always fun.